Hi guys, welcome to this week's screencast. Now for the certificates, this has got to be done by Monday, and for the sport level 3 full course, the BTEC, this has got to be done by Tuesday. So today what we're looking at is the process of bone growth. So you might have a question in your exam paper that asks you to describe the process of bone growth or how bone growth affects sporting performance. So strong, healthy bones are vital for effective sports performance. Now, bones are living organs that is continuously being reshaped through a process called remodeling. Now, if you go and play a sport this weekend, netball, football, cricket, something will happen to your bones where they'll have to be reshaped again. And as I said, this is through a process called remodeling. Now, if you look at this slide, this is a typical exam question. This exam question came up last year. This is in the paper that I have, and this is describe the process of bone growth. Now, as you can see, it's worth 4 marks. So you're going to be wanting to make 4 points to get your marks. At the end of the lesson, I'm going to ask you to answer this question. I've got the mark scheme. We'll go through the mark scheme together to see where you're getting your marks from. Right, okay, so these are your Cornell notes. So what you need to have on your Cornell notes is calcium, ossification, osteoclasts, osteoblasts, epiphyseal plates, and epiphyseal line. So if you get them down now, please, you can pause this. Thank you. Right, okay, so keywords, calcium. This is a mineral essential for bone growth. So we need this for our bones to actually grow. Ossification, the process in which bones are formed. So this is the first part, essentially, ossification. This is where our bones first start to develop through the process of ossification. Okay, osteoblasts. These cells bring calcium to the bones. These are responsible for creating bone matter by secreting collagen. Then we have osteoclasts. These cells remove any unnecessary calcium. So there might be unnecessary calcium around a bone. Osteoclasts come along, kind of gets dissolved into the bloodstream, and off they go. And that unnecessary calcium has been removed, and they've been removed by osteoclasts. Now I've got a way for you to remember osteoblasts, osteoclasts, and I'll talk about that in the lesson. Epiphyseal plates, so found at either end of long bones and allow for long bones to extend, i.e. for long bones to grow. Now obviously, depending on how much your long bones have grown, has an effect on what type of sport you play. Epiphyseal line. Once a long bone is fully formed, each end fuses with the main shaft, the diaphysis, to create the epiphyseal line. So if you look here, I mean, we spoke about this when we did bones. Diaphysis here, epiphysis is here, and here. Now, if you look, this is the epiphyseal plate, and once the long bone is fully formed, it fuses the main shaft to make the epiphyseal line. There we go. So if you get these down, that'd be grateful for that, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.